I'm Kate Feeks. Welcome to this edition of Medina County Court News. On Thursday, March 15, 2012, Jefferson E. Davis, 32 of Barberton, Ohio, appeared in Judge Kimbler's court with his attorney Charles Quinn of Akron. The state was represented by Assistant Prosecutor Matt Razavi. Judge Kimbler imposed a 6-month jail sentence on Mr. Davis for 1 count of theft and waived all court costs. Mr. Davis is also facing charges in Summit County on aggravated robbery with a firearm, specification, and the illegal manufacture of drugs.
He has a case with Judge Teodosio. What happened on that?
The cases are pending at this point. He has actually 2 different cases.
One is aggravated robbery.
One is robbery and another
with a
one
firearm spec.
That's correct.
He's looking at 2 years on that, right?
That's correct.
Mandatory time.
That is
Or is it 3 years?
It's actually 3 years.
3 years, because it's they're alleging he used it.
That's the allegation within the indictment.
What's the other case he has over there?
Yeah, joining that same indictment, there is a...
Oh, illegal manufacturing drugs, F1.
That's correct.
You got on both those?
I am on both of those, Your Honor. Those are up in the air at this point as far as our resolution. They're set for trial. We have not had a meaningful pretrial on the
What would a meaningful pretrial be?
well, meaningful where we have a position of the state of Ohio and what they want to do.
I got it.
There are many difficulties in both these cases for the state of Ohio, and so we just have to get from point A to point B. We've had a meaningful pretrial on the aggravated robbery charge.
Okay. All right. Mr. Razavi, any suggestions what to do with this gentleman?
Yes, Your Honor. Based on his prior criminal record and also his arrest while out on bond, recommended prison sentence.
Well, all right, we can certainly see that, why you would do that. On the other hand, the co-defendants were all apparently put on some sort of, well, David Nagel got 37 days in jail, credit for 37 days served. He was put in jail. The rest of them seem to have been, one of them was put in the pretrial diversionary program. The loss prevention manager at Walmart would like to have restitution, but he wants it from the co-defendant who was an employee at Walmart, not from Mr. Davis. Interesting. All right, Mr. King, what do you think? Twin, I'm sorry, Mr. Twin.
My suggestion this time is to continue with the sentencing in this case, actually, until the resolution of it.
How would that make my life better?
When
Anything to Judge Quinn?
No, Judge John Quinn?
Yeah.
No, we have many discussions about our non-heritage.
Okay.
Shared heritage.
So how would that make my life better doing it?
Well, at that time, it perhaps would save probation costs. He's under supervision.
I don't plan to put him on probation anyway. I don't plan to put him on probation.
Save any costs as far as the county's...
Yeah, okay. Well, all right. Are you full out there? All right. Here's what we're going to do. Does Mr. Davis have anything he wants to say?
Would you like to say something?
Your Honor, I would like to, if you could, I'd appreciate it if you could continue my case until after the other ones are resolved.
Well,
I feel that I will be proven innocent on both cases, and that you'll have a different opinion on where I stand. By looking at it, I can understand how it looks bad in my case, but I'm innocent on both of them cases, and it will prove to be resolved. I would appreciate it if you could just continue my case.
all right. Well, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give him 180 days in jail, and then when he gets out of jail, I'm going to put him on general supervision. But if he is incarcerated on anything else, then I'll just, the only sentence will be 180 days in jail. Follow me?
I follow you.
Okay, that's it.
Could you give me a week out, Your Honor, please?
No. I'm sorry? No. Too much risk. Okay, I see comments.